Hi, my name is Attorney Gary Isko with the Isko Law Firm. Many times I'm asked by clients, how do personal injury settlements work? The law is very clear in Florida or in any jurisdiction. The injured person is the one who solely makes the decision on whether or not there is a settlement. Attorneys are required to get their client's authority in order to resolve a case and to take any settlement. Settlement sometimes has a bad connotation, as if you're accepting something that you do not want. It's a compromise, where it really should be looked at as a resolution of a case that satisfies the damages that you suffered. So I don't really like to use the word to accept a settlement in a case. It's the value that a client is willing to accept for resolution of their case. How is this figured out? What is a settlement or a resolution of the case? It's something that makes the client whole again. It's something that compensates somebody for their injuries, for their medical bills, for their lost wages, for their future medical bills, for their future lost wages, for their emotional damages, pain and suffering. So any resolution of a Florida injury case, first, it must be a number that is decided by the injured victim to decide whether or not that amount of money is acceptable, or if they need to continue pressing the insurance company or to continue litigation to try and get a higher amount. The most important thing to do is to seek out an experienced Florida injury attorney, such as myself, who has over 30 years working in personal injury. I am available 24/7, 365 days a year to contact me with regard to your settlement. I've had attorneys with their own cases that were worth multi-millions of dollars consult with me on whether or not they should take a resolution of a case. And I can easily determine, based upon my experience, on whether or not you have a proper resolution of a case. Just recently, I had a new client come to me who had a $250,000 offer for a fractured skull on their 2-year-old infant who needs a tremendous amount of medical care in the future. They have now hired me as the attorney, and I'm surely going to get a much higher resolution in that case for the client. So the most important thing you can do is seek out an attorney who knows what they're doing and knows the value of the case and can resolve it favorable to the injured party on the terms that are acceptable to them, so that they can go forward in their life and be made whole for the medical bills, lost wages, and pain and suffering.